Hey guys, welcome back. Once again, it is Evan and Chelsea here with Helium 10. So Evan, you have to answer this question.
Okay.
What is a gated category?
Chelsea, that's a great question. So a gated category is a category that requires Amazon's approval in order to sell in. Amazon does this in order to give their buyers more confidence. Such requirements include additional fees, payment checks, as well as other specific qualifications in order to sell. And like any situation, there's cons and there's pros. The cons being that the sellers have more roadblocks to tackle in order to get into the category. And of course, the pros being that once you're in that category, you have a huge competitive advantage.
As always, a lot of information, and I hope it helped. If you have any questions or comments, you know the drill by now. Leave us a comment, and we'll get back to you in another video.